Hi, we are RainforestLab, Technologies for Education. The demand for professionals in technology is growing, and our education system hasn't been able to provide the demand. The incorporation of STEAM areas in education from an early age becomes fundamental, since it develops the key competencies for the 21st century, like programming, which has become the new literacy. Tools for teaching STEAM areas to the children between 3 and 6 years are limited or non-existent. For this reason, we founded RainforestLab, which provides technological tools and educational resources for children to learn to solve problems using technology. We visualize the market in two segments. First, Costa Rican homes. Secondly, private educational centers and technology teaching learning institutions. In the country, we have around 358 private schools and around of 173 national independent private preschools. Both tools have been validated with more than 1,000 preschool children and 100 education experts. Our technological tools have been validated by Omar Dengo Foundation within the public-private partnership between the Ministry of Education and Omar Dengo's Foundation, where they were used in the preschools of public education in Costa Rica with a robot that Omar Dengo's Foundation developed, called Robbie++. RainforestLab was founded to provide technological solutions based on complete doctoral research of the University of Costa Rica in relation to the topics addressed, with the support of researchers and experts at the national level in the STEAM areas, and with the strategic alliances of the University of Costa Rica and Omar Dengo's Foundation. Our spin-off provides technological tools and educational resources for children to prepare them for the careers of the future, motivating them through play to learn about STEAM. We offer two applications, TTBots and TTBots Collab, and we also offer a robot called TT. Both applications are tools that support the learning of children between 3 and 6 years old in STEAM concepts in a playful way through iconography and sound feedback. The first product is TTBots, a mobile programming tool to be used along with the TT robot. The application allows girls and boys to program the TT robot through iconography and sound feedback. With this, they develop computational thinking and is available right now in 3 languages, Spanish, Portuguese, and English. The second product is TTBots Collab, also a mobile programming tool with the differentiating element that is a collaborative tool for girls and boys for our target age range. It consists of an app, the TT robot, and teaching materials, maps, user manual, teacher's manual. We can proudly say that this tool is unique in the world due to its collaborative feature. Like the previous one, it has iconography and sounds feedback and is in 3 languages. Our goal is for girls and boys to build the steps of knowledge together. In addition, we have developed our own robot. In the international market, we can find different similar products, for example, Wonder Workshop, Primo Cubero, and Kibo Robot Kits. None of these options has the following advantages, which are unique in the technological solutions we develop. First, the interface is supported by University of Costa Rica research and validated by experts in the private-public partnership, Ministry of Education, and Omar Dengo Foundation. TTBots Collab is the only tool aimed for children between the ages from 3 to 6 that integrates the learning of programming with the teamwork. Both applications have a registered trademark and industrial property registration of the interfaces. Our customer acquisition proposal is focused on attending different events where we show our product. The idea is to have a combination of offline marketing, face-to-face contact, and referral. The use of our technological tools by the Omar Dengo Foundation in public education and its exposure in national media has been a great advertisement. Our business model targets direct sales to individuals for both TTBots and TTBots Collab. That includes a robot and access to both applications for a limited number of devices. For educational centers, we will offer them a subscription model that includes 1 robot, technical support, up to 10 devices that could be used both applications, which is expandable for more, user manual, teacher's manual, and other materials. Our social contribution is to provide our technologies free or at low cost through alliances with public and private institutions. For example, the Omar Dengo Foundation has a free and non-exclusive license with the University of Costa Rica for the use of the two current mobile programming tools, TTBots and TTBots Collab. Through the Ministry of Education and Omar Dengos Foundation's partnership, our two tools will be used in 934 public education and preschools in Costa Rica, benefiting a population of 69,755 preschool children, and their use will be scaled every year in more institutions. The main costs are human resources and production of robots. Development and maintenance of the applications cost around $50 per hour. Production process of the robots around $100 per robot. In addition to the cost of acquiring new customers, the validation of the business model and customer segmentation must be considered. RainforestLab was founded by Crisia Ramirez, who has a doctorate in computer science with a specialty in educational informatics. The other team member is Franklin Garcia, who is a software engineer with more than 20 years of experience and more than 10 years working with mobile technologies. We are short-handed, and we need at least one mobile developer, one web developer, a master maker, a pedagogue, and an administrator. In the next 9 months, we want to launch to the market and move our applications into the multi-platform market. We must test for the market launch hypothesis related to cost optimization, production speed, product acceptance, and economic desirability for customers. In relation to the development and other platforms, hypotheses must be verified in aspects of accessibility and adoption of the product. In the same way, we must validate the dissemination and sales channels, validate the two business models, direct sales and subscription. For the second stage of the Hélice spin-off call, we want to develop a virtual environment where the applications can program virtual robots in different environments. At this point, we are in talks with a national company that develops video games. The goal is to use the applications without the need of any physical robot. We envision a world where children from a very young age go from being a simple user to being creators of technology. We want empowered children. And you? We are RainforestLab, Technologies for Education. Thank you for your attention.